Hello, my name is Blaine Sullivan, and I will be constructing a life overview of Xiaodong Liu. Xiaodong Liu was born in Liaoning Province in China. He started off his life by being very interested in painting, and by the time of 17, he moved to Beijing, China. In Beijing, he earned his Bachelor's of Fine Arts in Oil Painting and at the Central Academy of Fine Arts in Beijing. 2 years later, he began to engage with China's independent filmmakers, and 2 years after that, he was director Wang Jiushuili directed Liu in The Days. It was eventually awarded BBC as one of the 100 best films made in the last 100 years. 1 year later, he worked as an artistic director on the projects of film director Zhang Wang's Beijing's Bastard, and 2 years after that, he earned his Master's of Fine Arts in Oil Painting at the same academy he did prior. In 1998 to 1999, he studied at the Academy of Fine Arts, University of Complutense in Madrid, Spain. In 2006, he conceived a concept for Jia Zhangqi's award-winning film Dong, which was awarded Best Documentary Film at both the Italian and European Film Association Awards. And in 2006, he conceived concept for Zhang Xing's film Still Life, which won the Gold Prize at the 63rd Venice Film Festival. He is currently teaching in the oil painting department at the Central Academy of Fine Arts in Beijing, China. During this time, Liu was still painting throughout all of this, and he currently has projects in Tibet, Japan, Italy, the UK, Cuba, Austria, and one in his hometown in China. He is currently married with his wife. He met very early on, and he has no kids yet. Some of Liu's work has been introduced into the Dallas Contemporary, such as the Louisiana Museum in Denmark, and the Palazzo Stori in Florence, Italy.